we got to put this duct back into position. Okay, it's got to snap in there. There we go. Get it in place. Now we can put the carpet back in position. There's one hole right here that the push pin was behind this panel, and it's going to be very difficult to get that in there. So we're not going to put that pin back in position. Now if that bothers you, don't do it this way. Remove your panels to get at that connector on the O2 sensor. All right, looks pretty good. We can take the push pin that we can get at right here in the corner. There we go. Next thing we got to do is put these kick panels back in place. Now, this wire right here goes above the carpet, and then there's this little clip right here. That goes onto the wire. And then we got this panel right here. Got to get it on the stud in the front. Now for this kick panel, yeah, all back together. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the scan tool on and clear that code, and then we're going to drive the vehicle for a while and make sure that it's fixed. It's been a couple of days since we've run the vehicle, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to scan the computer, see if we fixed it. Beautiful, look at that. We got no codes, and all our monitors are set. So that's it. That's confirmation that we fixed the problem. Wow, that puts a capper on the P0141 trouble code video. Okay guys, thanks for watching.